Hi, my name is Zoe.
Hi, my name is Reed.
And today we are going to be making mint chocolate chip ice cream cupcakes. Yum! So the ingredients that we need
Is a cupcake pan.
mint chocolate chip, ice cream, and we need it
Let it
soften.
We need cupcake liners.
We're going to make our own whipped cream. Yummy!
And we need double stuffed Oreos.
We'll need 10 of these. Or you can do regular Oreos. It doesn't really matter.
Here's butter.
And we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter. And that is all the ingredients you need.
Go.
Let's get started. So put 10 Oreos in a bag
So we're going to be smashing them with the
the-
side. So
with the flat side. And if you don't have anything else,
then
like
you just
this.
try to smash it.
And then let's get started.
Yummy.
Make sure you smash them good. Just make sure you don't whip the bag. Now we need 2 tablespoons of butter. Get a knife and cut it.
In the middle like that. So when you have the 2 tablespoons.
There you have it. Butter, and you need it for the crust. So you want to peel it out. And put it in here. And
Then you can throw this away if you want, but you should keep it for measurement. So we have
and then you want to warm this up. Alright, now we're going to pour the
Oreos and the
Oreos
butter
and
to
the
make
melted
the
butter.
great crust. So
she's going to pour. And then next, let's pour the melted butter all the way in. Okay. And then let's mix it up. Gonna mix it in. Now we're gonna be lining. Now we're gonna be putting the cupcake liners in the tray. And we're going to add a little bit of crust to each of them. Let's get started. Put a little bit in here. I accidentally poured too much, but that's fine. Next, let's pour this much in. Not a lot. Now after you poured in all the crust, you're gonna
flatten it down to be like a
like
flat,
this. And now we're gonna start with the
whipped
homemade
cream.
whipped cream. So let's get
The heavy whipped cream,
some
powdered sugar,
and some
and the vanilla extract.
and
And
now we're pouring it. And there, that's enough.
add some powdered sugar
Now let's add some pure vanilla extract. So you don't want to add too much because that would be bad. There you go. I'm going to do a little droplet because I don't want to put much. And I'm done. That's actually a little too much.
But now we're going to add some powdered sugar.
Add some. Actually, we're going to mix it up. So don't do it super high or that's just going to splatter all over the place. So let's put it on. And stop it. And here it is. It looks super good.
It's so yummy. It might look. We want to eat it all up. So this is how it should look like at the end.
Now we are going to go and make the filling, which is frozen whipped topping Now we're gonna fold in the whipped cream.
So let's to the ice cream.
Let's get some. That's enough. Ooh, look at that. It's just so good. And then we're gonna pour some more. Look at it, I just want to eat that with the whipped cream in it. Pour some more. Don't add the whole thing. Just pour some more. 8 ounces you want. So that's enough. And that looks super good. I just want to eat it fully. And now let's mix it up. You want to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. You want to use not that, the spoon. The spoon's too small. There you go, Pete.
She mixed in really.
Oh, look at that. So now we have it mixed up and folded together.
And
so
we're
gonna
now
do a
we're just gonna
special
do
thing.
So we're gonna divide it, and we're gonna do some green. We're gonna dye it green and red.
And now let's start.
So we should put. Okay.
So I can't really. That's probably enough. More.
Okay. So when we have enough. So
Okay,
when
that's
we have
enough.
enough of the ice cream.
Now I'm gonna do the red in this bowl.
How many drops?
2.
So now I'm going to put the green in this bowl.
And I'm gonna put red food color. I'm gonna put red food coloring in. 1, 2. Now we're gonna stir it up. Color. I'm gonna put red food coloring in. 1, 2. Now we're gonna stir it up. Look at it. Ooh, it looks so. Now it looks like red mint. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't really turn out that. You might want to add a couple more drops, but. And I'm gonna add 1 more drop. And now we're gonna mix it up.
And we're gonna mix it a little more with this green.
And it looks a little darker. Looks so good. Oh, it looks like red. Oh. And we're done mixing it.
So it should look like this.
And we're gonna pour it in the cups. So let's put this over.
So we're gonna start filling up all the cupcakes.
Now we got it filled up. We're gonna put it in the freezer.
4 hours. We're gonna
4
leave
hours.
it for 4 hours.
And then eat it.
After we fill it.
And make sure you don't spill these because these are